Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make money with Airbnb without owning real estate. You don't need to be a property owner to cash in on the short-term rental market. Here are 5 simple strategies to get started. 1. Airbnb rental arbitrage. Rent a property long-term and list it on Airbnb for short-term stays. Be upfront with the landlord and offer to cover minor costs or pay slightly higher rent. With good management, you can earn $800 to $1,500 per month per property. 2. Airbnb co-hosting. Help Airbnb hosts manage their listings by handling bookings, guest communication, and cleaning. You'll earn 10% to 20% of the booking revenue. Co-hosting for just a few properties can bring in $500 to $1,000 monthly. 3. Airbnb cleaning service. Offer cleaning services for Airbnb properties. Charge $50 to $100 per cleaning, depending on the size of the property. With a few clients, you can make $1,000 to $2,000 per month. 4. Airbnb photography and staging. Take high-quality photos and stage listings to attract more guests. Charge $100 to $200 per shoot. Even a few gigs a month can add $500 to $1,000 to your income. 5. Airbnb affiliate program. Share your Airbnb referral link and earn commissions when people book stays or list properties. Some affiliates make $200 to $1,000 monthly just by sharing their links, and that's it. You don't need to own real estate to make money with Airbnb. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.